Namo tassa, 3 times. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Okay, we can check our homework. Okay, everybody already have done homework already. Okay, please take your homework paper to check. Okay, number 1, please recite the question. Deepi kaping bunchati, meaning? Okay, correct. Second one, kapayo raving pasanti, meaning? Okay. Next one, meaning? Okay. Next one, meaning? Good. Next one, okay. Next one, meaning? Next one, meaning? Next one, meaning? Next one, meaning? Or take away or carry the gems. Next one, meaning? Translate into Pali. Okay. Meaning? Harati. Okay, good. Next one, meaning? Raving pasanti. Okay. Next one, meaning the enemies, plural, no? Enemies ariyo, arayo, paharanti. Okay, next one. Okay, next one. Paharati. Next one. Worship vandanti, no? Plural, no? Because the munayo, plural, no? Next one. Okay. Okay, next one. Next one. Agging jalinti. Okay, good. Today we are going to teach lesson 3. Instrumental cases, Tatiya and Karana, by, with, through, Karanta nouns. Revision. What have we learned so far? According to the Aggi, singular and plural. Aggi, aggi, aggayo. Agging, aggi, aggayo. The meaning: Gahapati agging passati. The householder sees the fire. Okay, this is a ablative of agent, ablative of instrument. Okay, we already read the special note. This one we already practiced before under the end of nouns, akaranta nouns. What is the difference of the meaning about Tatiya, Karana and Panchami? Example: the man goes to the village with his friends. Naro mittebiho mittehi gamang gacchati. The man cuts the tree with a saw. Naro kakachena rukkang chindati. This is a difference of the Tatya and Karana. Now remember, no? Bante Sukatavansa comes from Sri Lanka. Bante Sukatavanso Sihala Deepamha Agacchati. We already before practice, huh? Same notes. Only different, the case ending na according to the singular of instrumental masculine ikaranta nouns. Eb, ihi, the plural. Remember saddin and saha? We already practice. Always saddin and saha coming with the instrumental tatiya or karana. Instrumental cases. You see, example, sarati. Sarati meaning chariot, driver. We can say driver also, sarati. Singular, sarati na. Plural, sarati bhi, saratihi. Next one, yati. Yati na, yati bhi, yatihi. Next one, senapati, meaning general, the army general officer, commander, also can say senapati. Senapati na, senapati bhi, senapatihi. If you want, please write down. Declension of instrumental masculine ikaranta nouns. Ikara. Now we are studying ikaranta nouns. Third and fourth cases. Sarathina meaning by with through a nowadays we can use drive also. Sarathi. Next one. Jnati. Okay, right now somebody not yet finished. Okay. Yes, Yatina. Same meaning. Yeah. Usually the Muni we can say every monk. Yati meaning like the over 10 vasa. Over 10 vasa. Higher levels. Yati. Sometimes Muni we use only for the Arahat. Maha Muni meaning Lord Buddha. Maha Muni meaning Lord Buddha. Okay, already. Next one now. Jnati, relative. Mutti. Mutti meaning fist. Asi. Now ekavachana, bahuvachana. Jnatina, jnatibi, jnatihi, muttina, muttibi, muttihi, asina, asibi, asihi. All are same way. Okay. Next. All are together. Some example nouns. Sarathi, Yati, Senapati, Jnati, Mutti, Asi. Please recite. Singular plural. Now we can build the sentence. Some more verbs. Okay, please recite. You remember, no? Need to write down? No need. I think already. Huh? Have, no? The vocabulary have, no? Okay, next one. This is a new, some more new word, new verbs. Okay, please recite. Goes out. Measure. Give. Preach. Buy. Sell. Walk. Gather or pick. Some more. Live. Rise. To be. Get. Come. Okay, now to practice. Bhupati Senapati na giring gacchati. Bhupati meaning Senapati na giring gacchati. All together. Okay, next one. Bhupati Senapati bhi giring gacchanti. Bhupati, the king. Senapati bhi giring gacchanti, meaning. Okay, please write down if you need. Okay. Okay, one more example, please write down. Narapati, that's a new word, no? Narapati meaning king. Narapati. Okay. Narapati Manusena Saddhin Manusse Narapati Manusena Saddhin Gamang Gacchati. Gamang Gacchati. Ablative of agent. What is the meaning? Narapati Manusena Saddhin Gamang Gacchati. Narapati meaning the king. Manusena Saddhin meaning with the human being, singular. Gamang meaning village. Gacchati meaning goes. Okay, please write down meaning. Narapati Manusena Saddhin Gamang Gacchati. Okay. Okay, please tell me the meaning of that sentence. Narapati Manusena Saddhin Gamang Gacchati. The king goes to the village with the human being. Okay. Next one. Yati Jnatina Saha Bodhin Pujeti. Yati Jnatina Saha Bodhin Pujeti. Yati meaning the monk. Jnatina Saha with the relative. Bodhin the bo tree. Pujeti venerates or respect, worship. What is the meaning whole sentence? Venerators. The monk venerates the bo tree with the relatives. Plural, the singular and plural. Yatayo Jnatibhi Saha Bodhi Pujenti. Meaning the monks venerate the bo trees with the relative. Yati, yati, yatayo. Remember? Yati, yati, yatayo. Okay, please write down. Sentence ablative of agent Tatiya. According to Tatiya Vibhakti. End of E group. ikaranta groups. Okay. Okay, another sentence, please write down example. Huh? Puriso, puriso, isihi saddhin, isihi saddhin. Nidhin, nidhin, nidhim dot nidhin, nidhin, nidheti, nidheti. Puriso isihi saddhin nidhin nidheti. New words, huh? Puriso isihi saddhin nidhin nidheti. The nidhi according to ikaranta noun. Nidhi. Nidhi, nidhi, nidhayo. Nidhin, nidhi, nidhayo. Nidhina, nidhibi, nidhihi. But this phrase accusative. Singular of the accusative. Nidhin. Nidheti meaning verb. Nidhin meaning hinder and pressure. Nidhin means hinder and pressure. Hidden treasure. Nidhin, yeah. Nidheti meaning deposit. Nidheti meaning deposit. Deposit means keep underground like this. Deposit, yeah, put inside the underground, like deposit. This time we can say deposit. Puriso, the man, isihi saddhin, with the hermits. Okay, hermits. Nidhin, hidden treasure. Nidheti, deposit. Deposits. Okay, this meaning the man deposits the hidden treasure with the hermits. Nowadays we can say nidhi meaning moolang, money. Moolang meaning money. Moolang meaning money. Swarnam, gold. Swarnam meaning gold. Swarnam, gold. Swarnam, gold. Rupiah meaning rupee. Indonesia rupee, India rupee, Sri Lanka rupee, Nepal rupee, Bangladesh rupee, all are rupee. Rupiah meaning rupee. Don't have a dollar. Okay. Rajatang, silver. Rajatang, silver. Rajatang, silver. Money meaning gem. Money meaning gem. Money meaning gem. Okay. Moolang meaning money. Swarnam, gold. Rupiah, rupee. Rajatang, silver. Money, gem. Okay. Like this way, if we know the Pali words, we can build many some more sentence. Okay. In the one of the sutta, Nidikanda Sutta, Nidikanda Sutta, the first Pali poem, Niding Nidheti Puriso. Niding Nidheti Puriso Gambhire Oda Kantiki. Atte Kiche Samupanne Attahaya Me Bhavisati. The first sentence, Niding Nidheti Puriso. This Puriso Niding Nidheti. Now understand, Puriso Niding Nidheti. The man deposits hidden treasure. Where? Gambhire Oda Kantiki. In the deep water, under the deep water, the ancient time, under the deep water or under the deep ground, underground. Gambhire meaning deep, in the deep, Gambhire. Oda Kantiki meaning end of the water. This means underground water, in the deepest water, deeper water. Atte Kiche Samupanni. When I need this hidden treasure will be useful. Attayame bhavisati. It will be useful. No, but I want to explain only Niding Nidheti Puriso. The Puriso Niding Nidheti. Okay, like this thing we can see in the sutta. Okay, later maybe end of this lesson I try to explain some Pali poem according to the Pali words. Then can be very easy to understand. Next one. Pati Yatina Ahing Paharati. Pati Yatina Ahing Paharati. Meaning, next one, plural. Pati Yatihi Ahayo Paharanti. Okay, please write down. Okay, already. Next one. Muni samadhina dhammang passati. Isayo panibi aharang bunjanti. Samadhina meaning with the concentration or with the one pointness. Muni samadhina dhammang passati. Muni meaning the monk, samadhina with one pointness, with the concentration, dhammang the doctrine, passati sees. The monk sees the doctrine with the concentration, with one pointness. Okay. Okay, next one, practice again. Okay, now please recite quickly. Meaning? The hermit goes with the monk. Next one. Meaning? With their hands. Okay, right. Please recite. Paharati. Meaning? Okay. Next one. Meaning? Okay. Next one. First English. The monks eat the rice with their hands. How to translate? The monks මුනයෝ පානීහි ඕදනං ඕබත්තං බුඤ්ජන්ති. okay යති යතයෝ පානීභි ඕදනං බුඤ්ජන්ති. okay next one. The monkey kapi. Only one, no? Kapi. Now the Vanar also monkey, Kapi also monkey, Makkat also monkey, Makkat. Makkat. Yeah, so many monkeys in the world. Different kind of monkey, no? Okay, Kapi, Kapi, yeah. Kapi with the serpent. Ahina. Ahina boding. Aruhati. Okay. Ahina sadding also can. Also, okay. Now Tatiya. Again, please, this one. Meaning? Kavi yatina ahin paharati. Next one. Bhupati senapatihi saddhin giring gachanti. Okay. Okay, now next one. Dative case chatutti. Chatutti, next one. Two o. Sorry. Not sure. The same meaning. Same meaning. Yeah. Tisaranena saha pancha silang dhammang yachami. Same meaning. Same. Both we can. Tatiya karana everywhere we can use saha saddhi. Tisaranena saddhin pancha silang dhammang yachami. Same meaning. Same meaning. Tisaranena saha and Tisaranena saddhi. Same meaning. Sri Lanka we use Tisaranena saddhi, but others use Tisaranena saha. Same meaning. Saha saddhi. Okay. Next one. Chatutti vibhakti. Again we can please recite quickly. Okay. Please recite. Meaning? Okay. All together recite. Now our Chatuthi Vibhakti, receiver side. Now meaning, the case ending no or s. Inang. The singular, there are two verbs, no, s. Aggino, aggis. Meaning, to the fire or for the fire. Plural, agginang, only one word. Okay, see? Aggi. Aggino, aggis. Agginang. Munino, munis, muninang. Isino, isis, isinang. Okay? Need? Please write down. Little different, no? Aggino. Okay. Next one. Gahapatino, gahapatis, gahapati nang. Kapino, kapis, kapi nang. Kavino, kavis, kavina. All are same. Can understand, no? No need write down, no? No need, no? Okay. Need? Okay. No need, I think. Okay. Practice. Narapatino. Atitino. Atitinang. Atitinang. Settino. Settis. Settinang. Okay, please practice. Okay, now we can build some small sentence. Okay, please write down one sentence. Pati, pati, munino bhattang pachati. Pati munino bhattang pachati. Bhattang, bhattang pachati. Pati meaning master or husband. Pati. Munino for the monk, for the bhikkhu. Bhattang rice. Pachati cooks. Now whole sentence please recite. The husband for the monk. The husband cooks the rice for the monk. Okay, this way. Okay, some more verbs. Please recite. Bring, place or keep. Protect, run, fall. Bathe, oppress, come down. Play, wash. Okay, now sentence. Setti narapatino nidding dadati. Setti meaning the millionaire. To the king, the hidden treasure gives. Meaning, please, if you need, please write down. The millionaire gives the hidden treasure to the king. Singular. Plural. Setti narapatinang nidhayo dadanti. Okay, already. Next one. Please read. Yati atitissa dhammang deseti. Yatayo atitinang dhammang desenti. Okay, write down. Check the you mean. Okay. Next, practice. Okay, recite. Meaning? Next one. Meaning? Kavi. Kavi meaning? The poet. Kavi, the poets. Kavi kapi. Kinanti. Kinanti meaning? By. Yeah, by. Senapati nang. For the generals. Asi. Okay. Meaning? Generals. Okay. Next one. Practice. Patayo meaning? Okay. Pati. Master or husband. Okay. Dadanti. Give. Aharang. Atitinang. To the guests. Very good. Next one. Gahapati. Ganhati. Take. yachting, isissa, for the hermit. This means someone take stick for someone. This is meaning someone take stick for someone. Okay, understand? Next one. The king, many words now. The new words Narapati, very new Narapati. Narapati gives dadati, the gems, mani or manayo, to the poet. Kapi, kavino, kavis, not the kapi. Okay. Bhupati kavino mani dadati, Narapati kavis manayo dadati. Okay, this one. Okay, check. The householder sells Kahapati sells meaning Vikkinati. Yachting to the general. Senapati, no, or Senapatis, one of the two. Okay, check. Okay. Next one. The monk preached the doctrine to the householders. Yati o muni gahapati nang dhammang deseti. Okay. Next one. The householders buy the food for the hermits. Isinang aharang kinanti. Upasaka upasika, upasaka upasika, muninang aharang kinanti. Upasaka upasika, nowadays upasaka lay better lay devotees. Upasaka upasika, lay devotees buy the food for the monk. Okay. Okay, now okay, check your new vocab list with the homework. Okay, please recite vocab, the ikaranta nouns. Sarati, Yati, Senapati, Jnati, Motti, Nutti, Asi, Samadhi, Narapati, Atiti, Setti, Adhipati, Vihi, Nidhi, Vyadhi, Kuchi, Rasi, Masi, Jyoti, Odhi, Bali. Now you are in Bali Island in Indonesia. What is the meaning Bali Island? See, religious offerings. Because there are so many Hindu people, they are doing offering, no? In the Bali Island. These are the Bali is a Pali words, remember? Okay. 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 Again, one more time. Sarati, okay. New verbs list. Please recite. Mareti. Dhavati, no, Dhavati, Dhavanti. The check the Paleti. Paleti protects. Rakkati also protect. Rakkati. Rakkati is protect. But Pala govern, English govern, no? Governs. Governs also, Paleti means governs also can. Paleti governs. The president governs in the country, no? Yeah, it's Paleti. Governs also can. Yeah. Okay, after that have homework. Okay, can do, no? No need to try to do by yourself. Okay. Already done. Answer. The one place. Kavi, Praveen, but no need to print. Can you in the website? Homework. Okay, this is a new homeworks coming, huh? This is Tatia means in the PowerPoint this example Jatati everywhere Tatia. The second is Tatia Karan. No, everywhere use the ability Tatia. But Tatia Karan must be no. Just check example. Karan. This Karan you have to change, not the Tatia Karan. No, Tatia only because stick meaning strike the with the stick by hand. It's true, okay? Understand? And the next one, Tatia, this one, Karan. Okay, took Tatia and Karan. It's okay. 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 Now everybody receive the homeworks. Okay. The why? Any question? Paharati. Paharanti. Paharati. Yeah. Now the try to do homework by yourself, huh? Slowly by slowly. Maybe next time I will check before start the class. No, not myself. You check by yourself. I give the answer. Okay. Any question? Please try to come every day. Okay? Yeah. Otherwise, don't skip your class. Cannot catch the catch up. Maybe next Saturday, no? Day after tomorrow, 2:30. Yeah. Bhasati. 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 Bhasanti. Bhasati. Bhasanti. Bha. BH. Bha. Bhasati. Bhasan. Okay. We share in merits. Idam me punyang asavakkaya vahang hotu. Idam me punyang nibbānassa paccayo hotu. Mama punya bhagang sabba sattānaṁ bhājemi te sabbe me samang punya bhagang labhantu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. May you be well and happy. May you be free from all suffering. May you be attaining Nibbāna. Okay.